Greetings, WealthWise viewers. Today, we embark on a deep dive into the intricate world of personal finance with Budgeting 101, creating a realistic monthly budget. If the concept of budgeting has ever seemed daunting, fear not. This video is your comprehensive guide. Before we delve into the nuances of budgeting, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's navigate the path to financial success together. Budgeting is not just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It's a mindset that empowers you to take control of your financial destiny. Picture a life where financial decisions are intentional, where your money is a tool to achieve your dreams. Whether you're a seasoned budgeting pro or just starting your financial journey, this video is a detailed roadmap to transform the way you manage your money. Section 1. The importance of budgeting. Setting the stage for financial success. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. It's not merely about paying bills. It's a strategic plan that propels you towards your goals. Imagine having a clear roadmap that guides every financial decision, be it purchasing a home, starting a business, or saving for your children's education. This mindset shift from passive spending to intentional budgeting is the key to unlocking financial freedom. By understanding the purpose behind your budget, you're not just managing money. You're building a foundation for lasting prosperity. Common budgeting misconceptions. Let's dispel some common myths surrounding budgeting. Firstly, the idea that a budget is restrictive. In reality, a budget is empowering. It gives you the freedom to allocate resources according to your priorities and values. It's not about saying no to things you love. It's about aligning your spending with your aspirations. Another misconception is that a budget is a one-size-fits-all solution. Your budget should evolve with you. Embrace the fluidity of life. Be open to adjustments and recognize that your budget is a dynamic tool that grows with your financial journey. Section 2. Understanding your finances. Tracking your income. Your income is the lifeblood of your financial health. It's not just your salary. It's all the money streams flowing into your life. Take a holistic approach. Consider side hustles, passive income, bonuses. A comprehensive understanding of your income sources allows you to unlock hidden financial potential. Dive deeper into each income stream. Are there opportunities for growth? Can you negotiate a raise or explore additional income avenues? Understanding the full scope of your income is the first step towards maximizing your earning potential. Identifying fixed expenses. Fixed expenses are the stalwarts of your budget: rent, utilities, insurance. They provide stability, but understanding them goes beyond mere recognition. It's about optimization. Analyze each fixed expense. Can you renegotiate your rent? Are there opportunities to reduce utility costs without sacrificing comfort? Scrutinizing fixed expenses allows you to allocate more funds towards your financial goals. It's about making every dollar work harder for you. Variable expenses. The sneaky culprits. Variable expenses are the dynamic elements of your budget. Groceries, dining out, entertainment. They have the potential to sway your budget if not managed consciously. Reflect on your historical spending in these categories. Are there months where you overspend consistently? Can you identify areas for improvement without compromising your lifestyle? Understanding your variable expenses is like having a strategic map to navigate through the potential budget pitfalls. Section 3. Creating your budget. The 50-30-20 rule. Let's delve deeper into the 50-30-20 rule, a guiding principle in budgeting. It's not just a formula. It's a philosophy that shapes your financial decision-making. The 50% for necessities ensures a strong financial foundation: housing, utilities, groceries. It's about securing your basic needs without sacrificing your lifestyle. The 30% for wants injects flexibility and joy into your budget. This category covers dining out, entertainment, and non-essential purchases. It's a deliberate allocation for enjoyment and personal fulfillment. The remaining 20% for savings and debt repayment is not a mere percentage. It's a commitment to your financial future. It encompasses building an emergency fund, saving for future goals, and efficiently tackling any outstanding debts. Allocating for savings and debt repayment. The 20% allocated for savings and debt repayment is the engine that drives your financial journey. Delve into the specifics of each component within this category. Establishing an emergency fund is not just a suggestion, it's a critical necessity. Explore the optimal amount for your emergency fund and the best practices for its maintenance. When it comes to debt repayment, understanding the strategies for tackling different types of debts is crucial. High-interest debts should be prioritized to free up more funds for future savings and investments. Section 4. Budgeting tools and apps. Leveraging technology. In the area of digital innovation, technology can be your budgeting ally. Budgeting apps and tools are not just conveniences. They are gateways to a more streamlined and insightful financial management experience. Let's delve into the functionalities of popular budgeting apps. How do they categorize expenses? Can they provide insights into spending habits and patterns? By understanding these tools, you're not just incorporating technology into your financial routine. You're unlocking a deeper understanding of your financial behaviors. Embrace technology not as a replacement for financial mindfulness, but as an enhancement that magnifies your financial acumen. Section 5. Staying on track. Regularly reviewing your budget. The budget review is not just a periodic chore. It's a strategic exercise that propels you forward on your financial journey. Regular check-ins are not about policing your spending. They're about celebrating financial wins, identifying areas for improvement, and ensuring your budget stays aligned with your goals. Dive into the details of a budget review. How do you analyze spending patterns? What questions should you ask yourself during this review process? By making the review a thoughtful and actionable practice, you transform it from a task into a ritual that fortifies your financial resilience. Consider the budget review as a financial health checkup, ensuring that your money is working efficiently towards your goals. Emergency fund, your financial safety net. The emergency fund is not just a line item in your budget. It's your financial safety net. Dive deeper into understanding the nuances of an emergency fund. How do you calculate your living expenses? What constitutes a genuine financial emergency? Explore the strategies for handling unexpected financial challenges without compromising your budget. By mastering the intricacies of your emergency fund, you're not just safeguarding against uncertainties, you're fostering financial peace of mind. Section 6. Planning for financial goals. Setting clear financial goals. Now that we've covered the foundational elements of budgeting, let's dive into the exciting realm of setting and achieving financial goals. Your budget is not just about managing day-to-day expenses. It's a tool to help you realize your dreams. Break down your financial aspirations into short-term and long-term goals. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a home, or retiring comfortably, each goal requires a dedicated strategy. We'll explore the SMART criteria for goal setting: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, ensuring that your goals are not just dreams but actionable plans within the scope of your budget. Strategies for goal achievement. Goals are the destinations on your financial journey, and your budget is the roadmap that gets you there. In this segment, we'll delve into strategies for goal achievement. From prioritizing goals to adjusting your budget to accommodate them, we'll explore the dynamic interplay between your budget and your aspirations. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of staying motivated on your financial journey. Celebrate small wins, reassess your goals periodically, and adjust your budget accordingly. By integrating goal-setting strategies into your budgeting process, You transform your financial plan from a static document into a dynamic tool that propels you towards your dreams. Section 7. Building a sustainable financial lifestyle. Cultivating financial mindfulness. Beyond the numbers and strategies, let's explore the mindset that fosters a sustainable financial lifestyle. Financial mindfulness is about being aware of your financial choices and their impact on your overall well-being. We'll discuss the importance of conscious spending, distinguishing between needs and wants, and making choices that align with your values. This segment will delve into the psychology of money, understanding your relationship with finances, identifying potential triggers for impulsive spending, and developing habits that contribute to long-term financial health. By cultivating financial mindfulness, you not only enhance your budgeting skills but also promote a holistic approach to wealth. Practicing financial resilience. Financial resilience is the ability to navigate challenges and setbacks without derailing your entire financial plan. In this segment, we'll explore strategies to build and maintain financial resilience. This includes creating contingency plans for unexpected expenses, developing an adaptable budget that can weather economic fluctuations, and ensuring your emergency fund is robust enough to handle unforeseen circumstances. We'll also discuss the importance of financial education and staying informed about economic trends. By embracing financial resilience, you position yourself to overcome obstacles and continue on your journey towards financial success. Conclusion. And there you have it, WealthWise family, Budgeting 101, an extensive exploration of the financial tool that empowers you to shape your financial future. Remember, building wealth is not just about numbers. It's a holistic approach that involves mindful choices, goal setting, and financial resilience. If you found this video valuable, show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your community. Share your favorite budgeting tip or a financial goal in the comments. Let's continue the conversation and support each other on our wealth building journeys. Until next time, stay wealth wise.